We're here at Wilmot Creek, a lakefront adult lifestyle community where everything feels a little easier, a little quieter, and a lot more connected. As you step in, the first thing you'll notice is how bright and open the space feels. This home has been recently renovated. You get that sense that everything feels fresh and well thought out without being overdone. There are 2 well-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which makes the layout really practical, whether it's for everyday living or having guests stay over. The primary bedroom is a standout, not just for the space, but for the view. You're looking out towards Lake Ontario, and it brings a calm, peaceful feel into the room. One of my favorite features is the 2-way fireplace. It connects the main living area to a separate sitting space, giving you options on where to relax. From there, you can step out to your private patio. It's the kind of spot you'll naturally use, whether it's for a quiet morning coffee or just winding down at the end of the day. Beyond the house itself, the lifestyle here is a big part of the appeal. Wilmot Creek is a well-established community where residents have access to the recreation center, along with the golf course, pool, tennis courts, fitness facilities, and a wide range of clubs and activities. Overall, this is a home that offers a simpler, more manageable way of living without giving up the space, comfort, or lifestyle that's important.